Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and we got this real cute look. I don't know where it came from. Well, yes I did, because I was trying to do something else the other day and I didn't like it, so I started over. We got this, so I have to film this over. Yeah, okay, but I like this though. It's really cute. Again, we used one palette. Like, I'm getting really good at this, okay? And y'all know I don't do these whole look like cutesy looks on my channel, but I'm starting to get into it a little bit since, you know, spring and summer is here, so I want to like calm it down a little bit but still stay me, okay? But I love this though. Like, it's so cute, okay? And it's real simple to do, okay? So do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, share, like, comment, all the good stuff. Give me a thumbs up, let me know how you like this, okay? Because it is so cute. And if y'all ever like recreate my looks or something, tag me on Instagram, okay? makeupbykeaira, because I want to see like this, anything else I do, so it just be so cute. Alright, so okay, so we're going to use the BPerfect Carnival palette for the whole look, and we're going to take that beige pinkish looking color, which is called Basic, I think. Yeah, it's called Basic. Okay, and this is basically going to be our transition color, and it's going to pop that all at the top over the lid. Well, not the lid, but the upper area here. I love this palette so much. The colors just blend so smoothly. Okay, so next we are going to take Wifey, which is like it's like a dark pink almost. And then we're going to take Guilty, which is that burgundy pinkish looking color at the top. And I'm going to mix those two together. Okay, then next one we'll go into the dark purple, which is Liquor. And it is going to be our crease color. And then I'm also adding some black to deepen it. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of black as I normally do and kind of fill in my outer corner. And I'm not going to put a lot, just a little bit. And then I'm going to go back in with Liquor, which is the dark purple, and place that on top of the black. And then I'm going to go in with some hot pink from the palette called Funky. Okay, so I'm taking a Jlarue pigment in the shade Halo, and it's like a peachy pink champagne color. It's really pretty, okay? And I'm going to take some of that white gold I'm always using and put that on top of it a little bit. It's like a rose gold color. That's what Halo is. It's like rose gold. Yeah. And I'll usually put these pigments like this, the ones that's like toppers, on top of the AnGlowLa 94 that I'm always using. But I don't know. I just kind of want to put it by itself and see what it looks like.
Ryan Little.
Okay, and then for the inner corner, I'm going to do the same thing I did in my last tutorial with the green in the inner corner. Yeah. And I'm taking the same palettes, the ABH Cosmetics Spotlight palette for the shimmer, and then for the matte green, the ABH Prism palette. Okay, so I'm taking a crayon case AnGlowLa, and I'm just going to bronze with a little bit. And I'm trying a new brush today. You know, I usually use like a angle brush, but I just want to see how this will work. Okay. I think I prefer my other brush, but and then I'm taking the usual Juvia's Place Nefertiti, the loose highlighter.